bigyan natin ng ating...
Excuse me, we're live on Facebook and it's
Hi!
So,
What's good?
happy lunch.
Hindi ka pa makapag-move on ah.
Oo, move on eh. Hi guys!
Kain! Comment kayo kung anong gusto niyo sabihin sa amin. Hi!
okay.
Ask me, Ford. Hashtag.
Naksa. Mali pa
Hashtag
na.
ask
Mali pa.
me.
Baliktad, hindi papasok yun.
Hashtag ask me.
Ford. Yun. Diba? Tapos, ang gawin nyo, ito ang aming album. Mabibili nyo siya sa, meron siya sa iTunes, sa Amazon, sarap pa isa.
And on your favorite record bars.
Spotify.
Yes, Spotify, yung March 2, SM City San Jose, March 15, Robinson Studio. Yes, Boyman PH, on 3, 2, 1, Boyman PH!
CMs nyo?
Available na po in your favorite little bar.
Busy mo bunso.
Next, sa Mix wala, celebrity videos kami for friends.
Catches there.
That's just there.
Nag-autofocus.
Russell, anong ginagawa mo daw?
Ano?
I'm on Snapchat talking to friends.
Friends?
Friends.
What kind of
Friends?
is that? Loved ones, like
Who's
a
your
family.
Gusto ba nila?
I have friends.
Baka gusto pa nila.
I don't really. Secret. Neil, what's Neil doing? Okay.
Hi daw po,
Ang
Joao.
best friend mo at best friend. Ngayong hapon na ito, sure na sure ako, kikiligin kayo dahil kasama natin ngayong hapon na ito ang...
Boyman PH!
Oh my gosh! Isa-isa, magpakilala kayo.
Hi guys, ako si Boyband Neil. What's up everybody? Ako si Boyband Russell.
Kamusta sa inyo? Ako si Boyband Joao.
Hello mga ka-best friend, ako si Boyband Ford.
Hello, at ako naman si Boyman Tristan.
Ayan, at talaga namang ang popogi best friend. Talagang may pahabol tayo ng Valentine's Day ngayon dito sa station natin. 93.9 Boyband PH is here! At dahil ang ating topic of the day ngayon, syempre, hindi makakaligtas itong mga to. Boyband PH, isa-isa, kailangan ninyong sagutin ang aking topic of the day. What is your ideal romantic perfect date? Neil, para sa iyo, ano?
Para sa akin po, simple lang. Gusto ko sa Paris or sa beach, gano'n na lang.
Wow! Simple
Paris or beach. Okay. Russell.
I'd really say maybe just a nice candlelit dinner on a beach.
What romantic!
Candlelight dinner sa beach. And Joao.
For me, simple meal with the loved one, anywhere with a nice overlooking view. But what really matters na talaga for me is with the person I love.
Yun talagang makakasama mo yung tinitibok ng puso mo, ganyan ba, Joao? Nice. And Ford.
Ako simple lang din. Sa tuktok ng bundok.
Grabe ka!
Sa tuktok ng bundok. So, kailangan mag-climbing muna kayo bago ka maka-romantic date. Okay, and Tristan.
Sa akin, wala akong pinipiling lugar. Basta kasama ko siya. Masaya.
Oh, talaga naman. Okay, and boys. Siyempre, singer kayo eh. And dancer. Alam ko namang magagaling na kayong kumanta. Ano naman ang song or ang kanta na ihaharana ninyo para sa inyong special girl? Single ba kayo lahat?
Yes!
Oo, eh di kung mangliligaw kayo, yan, anong kanta ang ihaharana ninyo sa inyong magiging special girl?
Para sa individual.
Individual, yes. Ikaw, Neil, saan? Anong kanta ang... Sample, kailangan kantahin mo yan.
Die in Your Arms, which is
Sige nga, sample.
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 Oh, I can't help it, I'm just selfish. There's no way that I could cheer you. They would break my heart to pieces. Honestly, the truth is, if I could just die in your arms.
At feeling ko, habang kinakanta niya yun, may steps pa siya. And Russell!
For me, I'd sing Lemonade by Jeremy Passion.
Sample!
She's soothing like the ocean rushing on the sand. She takes care of me baby, and she helps me be a better man. She's so beautiful.
Wow. And Joel.
Mine is Beautiful Girl by Sean Kingston.
Okay.
Sample.
You're way too beautiful, girl.
Hey!
Only one to do your work. You have me suicidal, suicidal when they say it's over.
May support pa yan ng mga kasama mo, no? And Ford.
Ano ba? Hindi ko rin alam. Beautiful to me po.
Okay, sample.
Ano, pre, tama.
Sige, kantay ko naman. You are so beautiful to me, baby. You are so beautiful to me.
Kahit naman yata sino, kikiligan naman dyan. And Tristan.
Siyempre, galing nila. So, ina ako.
No!
Ano ako eh. Para sa inyo to.
Itanong mo sa akin kung sino natin mahal. Itanong mo sa akin, sagot ko di magtatagal. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. Ang aking tunay na nararamdaman.
Wow! Talaga namang ang gagaling kumanta. Okay, so, ang Somebody is your latest single.
Yes.
Yan, self-titled debut album under Star Music. So, gusto naming makarinig ng sample live sa ating FB page. Ayan, sige nga, Boy Band PH, Somebody.
I want somebody to share the rest of my life, share my innermost thoughts, know my intimate details.
Someone who's there by my side and give me support, and in return she'll get my support.
She will listen to me when I wanna speak about the world we live in and life in general. Though my views may be wrong, they may even be perverted, she'll hear me out and won't easily be converted to my way of thinking. In fact, she'll often disagree, but at the end of it all, she will understand me.
Oh, there you go, Boy Band PH. So, saan nila kayo matatagpuan? Saan nila yung social media accounts ninyo? Please promote Boy Band PH.
At guys, abangan niyo po kami sa ASAP. Every Sunday na po yan. At saka sa mahilig mag-online dyan, abangan niyo po rin sa ASAP.
Okay.
And huwag niyo po kakalimutan i-follow ang ating official Facebook, IG, and Twitter page, Boy Band PH.
And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/boybandph.
At yes, at abangan niyo po kami sa Mix Cup dahil kami ang celebrity VJs mo for this month of February. Yes!
Yes, and don't forget to grab a copy of our album Under Star Music featuring our latest single, Somebody, available na po in your favorite record bars nationwide and music online stores such as Amazon.com, iTunes Store, ABS-CBN Store. You can also listen to it on Apple Music and Spotify. Available na rin po ang music video ng Somebody on Mix and Star Music YouTube channel.
At abangan niyo po ang aming album tour sa March 2, SM City San Jose, March 15, Robinsons Tacloban, at maraming salamat po sa IFM at pati po kay DJ Marina.
Nakakakilig naman. At syempre, ito, papatugtugin na natin ang inyong
Somebody!
Yes, somebody!
Yes. Kaya tutok lang, best friend, Maria Zawa sa 93.9 IFM, ang best friend mo.